So today I want to tell you a little bit about the Purify Essential Oil Blend. It's what I used inside my baking soda mixture whenever I cleaned out my front-loading washing machine, because anyone that has one knows that smell that it starts to make. And not only do I want to clean it, but I want to purify it and make it smell good too. So this blend, it's got a really good mixture of oils in it. It's got lemon and lime and pine in it. Those oils are all known for their powerful cleansing properties. Then along with that, it's got some Siberian and Austrian fir, and that's used to purify the air and protect us from environmental threats. And then lastly, just for some yummy smell and additional oils, it's got melaleuca and citronella and some cilantro in there. So it's a really good blend of oils. If you're not cleaning out your front-loading washing machine today, other ways if you want to purify and get those smells into your room, if it's an average room, just go ahead and diffuse it. If it's a smaller room, or like something like if you're trying to diffuse your car, just put a few drops on a cotton ball and put it inside the air vent, and that will really help any smells or just anything you're trying to purify in your car. Lastly, it's really good for cleaning your countertops down. So just add like 5 drops of it to some water and put that in a glass spray bottle. I get all of mine off Amazon, and go to town on all your hard surfaces, and the smell will be amazing. And then you have those oils in there that protect against environmental threats, and it's just an overall really great blend. Smells so good. Okay, so I'm leaving the door open so that it can air out. Hi, baby. That lemon, that lime, that pine smell. Goodness, that stinky smell has gone away. It smells great. It's clean. That baking soda gets in there, so when you start scrubbing, it helps give something to kind of really grip onto and clean everything. I'm a fan, and I totally recommend it. Enjoy, guys. Message me if you have any questions.